Lightning struck in downtown St. Petersburg last night, putting 4 teenagers in the hospital, and officials say that bolt hit a tree, injuring all 4 of those teens. It's a banyan tree. It's a local landmark along Beach Drive in St. Petersburg near North Straub Park. News Channel 8's Marilyn Parker joining us live from there tonight. Marilyn, what else have we learned about this?
Well, you know, doctors couldn't get into specifics about the 4 teens and their injuries, but they say some common injuries from lightning strikes are burns, nerve damage, and we know that one of the teens actually went into cardiac arrest. Obviously, the hope tonight is that those teens are recovering and that they do recover quickly, and that we all know how to stay safe, knowing that more thunderstorms are to come. 4 teens taken to the hospital after a tree was struck by lightning. Doctors describe what they likely felt in that moment.
It's very painful, but the pain generally is quick, but then it leaves an altered sensation. It does feel burning, you know, like a burning sensation, and most people are generally very uncomfortable.
You hear the sirens under the rain, first responders rushing to the scene. Witnesses describe a powerful storm.
It was horrendous in the sense of straight falling down rain. Only Florida can produce this.
Max Defender 8 shows us the cells and lightning strikes over downtown St. Pete. We asked News Channel 8's chief meteorologist Jeff Biradelli if the storms we're seeing this year are more significant than in previous years.
This is a very different year. We're seeing a lot more showers and thunderstorms this year, but there's no general trend in lightning and thunder in the Bay Area.
And look, we don't need to take something like this lightly. We know that Florida is the lightning capital of the country. Our chief meteorologist says that if you hear the roar, you need to get indoors. He says, keep in mind, lightning is going to strike high points, just like the tree behind me. And so being near it is not a good idea. He says, get indoors and stay there until things clear up. We're live in downtown St. Pete tonight. Marilyn Parker, 8 on your side.